as I shown you my input file. Now this is the copybook, because this is the record layout for trailer. You can see here record type, record name and count. Now this is the similar kind of record layout for detail records. This is different from trailer, and this is for header. See, now we have to go for file head and select option 7. Now here this is the PDS which is containing all the copybooks. And here they are asking for one XREF dataset we need to create. And one thing we remember, the record length of this particular PDS is greater than 300, and this should be variable in length. I have created. No need to create any member. Just give test, hit enter. It will come here. Now here you need to update your copybooks. Then first we have header, then detail, then trailer, then hit enter. It is showing you default base. Now we have to edit this. We have to give some condition, otherwise how system will understand from which record we have to reference. Then here for header, record type is 01. Hit enter, F3. Now it changed. Base to default base. See, same way edit detail also. For detail it is 02. F3. For trailer also same. Now press F3 until you get the first screen of file head. Now we have done the setup for XREF. Now we have to see our record layout in our input file in different layout, whether we have able to cross reference or not. Then press 1. Now here you give your input file. Okay, we are using XREF, then press X. This is for record layout dataset, correct, and no need to give any member name. Now hit enter. See, now you can see it automatically. This is the first record for header. It has taken this WS record layout 1. When you press F11, see, this is layout 2 and it is pointing to this record. In the same way it is coming, see here. And once details are finished, it will automatically reference to trailer. See this thing. This is the for trailer. This is all about for option 7. Now once again for other option I am going to hand over to Asma. Thank you.
Thanks, Umashankar. So the next option in file head is option 8. This is to view the interpreted record layout. So I want to see what is my record layout in a copybook. So I'll give option 8 here, and we need one copybook and a member. And this expand occurrences. If you have any internal array inside your copybook, here you are mentioning yes if you want to see all the occurrences of the array. If you say no, then it's not going to display all the occurrences of the array. So I'll say no, as my copybook do not have any arrays. here is the layout. The picture class of the field number, start position, end position, and the length of the field. So if we have any copybook inside the copybook, this option 8 will expand all the copybooks inside the copybook. This is all about view. And option 9 is for reformat. If you want to convert a file from one format to another format, you can use option 9. So for example, if you have a file FB, if you want to convert that file to a variable block length, then you can go for this command. So option 10 is to compare two files. This is similar to our 3.13 option, but this has extended facilities. You can mention like how do you want to compare, like based on sort keys or one-to-one compare, and you can even compare based on some selection criteria. So I do not want any copybook here, and I do not want any xref here, so I'll just say this as S, and then I'll take out these things, and I'll take out the selection criteria also. If you want to compare only records which has like 111, 222, then you can go for this option. So the new copybook, sorry, the new file, this. Process online or batch. Here you are mentioning whether you want to do a compare by online or you are doing by batch. And here my selection criteria is no. If I select T as my selection criteria, then I have to mention how many records I want to compare, from which record I want to start. So this is compare type. R is for the read ahead, 1 is to 1-to-1, and S is for the sorted key. If you want to compare based on the sorted key, so I'll say here 1 and then hit enter. If I want to select any records, I'll select. I didn't want it. So here you see your compare criteria are complete. You may enter to execute compare. Use N to return to previous panel. I'll just hit enter. So here is the result. This also displays statistics similar to our 3.13. How many records matched and how many records read, what number of records in old file and new file. This is all about compare. And the next option is C. This displays summary of file aid changes. So if you have any file aid releases, like in release 1, there will be some changes, and from release 1 to release 2, what are all the upgraded changes, this tutorial will talk about that. And T tutorial, this is like online help. If you want any help online in file aid, then you can go for this tutorial. And X is for exit. Here is the most interesting part everybody would like to hear. Thank you. Thank you all for your patience. Please apologize if there are any incorrect information provided during this session. Hope you all enjoy. Thank you.